calling it as ice. It can be water ice, it can be CO2 or methane ice. Okay. Now after solving that ice, we can heat it by thermally ironing the ice, or we can put UV photolite by this photolite source. Why we are doing that? We are simulating this system like what is existing in the industrial medium. So what the industrial medium, you all have seen the industrial movie, right? So industrial medium is like we are residing in the solar system. So in between two solar systems, there is a region that is called industrial medium. So in the industrial medium, similar kind of pressure and temperature exists there. So we are simulating that environment here, and creating the environment here. We can what the chemistry we are observing here, we can relate with that industrial medium chemistry. We really call it astrochemistry. And the thermal ironing is also there, because when the sun revolves around it, there can be heat and heating and cooling. Also cosmic rays are there, so we are mimicking that by using this UV photolite source. And also we have layers, reflection, absorption area. We have secondary ion mass spectrometry and temperature proton dilation mass spectrometry. By this technique, we can analyze the products forming there, and we can analyze those data and tell what are the molecules that exist in the industrial media. Or we have also looked at calcium hydrate. That is a supramolecular case-like structure, where water is making the case, and any gas molecule can go inside and form the calcium hydrate structure. So we are the first group who have proven that calcium hydrate as an astro material in the industrial media. So this is the experiment in a nutshell.
So in general, what we do, we create amorphous ice, interstellar ices. Have you seen Avengers movie? When that villain come out from the space, a thin layer of ice will on the surface of that. You'll see a white layer, very thin white layer. That is the ice, and that ice create on the dust, like silicon and carbonate dust. So that very few monolayer, like 50, 100 monolayer of ice, there are there. So that ice